Okay, it's Wednesday, January 25th. I'm buying some Microsoft 235 puts here at 415. This is the 1 minute chart. Kind of watched it pretty closely. The stock, obviously, after a big gap down, started lower, came up a little bit to the halfway point of that first move, and now we're starting lower again. So I'm buying the puts here, kind of at the blue line. Again, big gap down, so that's why sometimes you can get a little bit of a pause before any continuation. But it looks like with pretty high probability, we're looking to take out that area down there. The exact low is 230.68, so let's call it almost 230 psychological area. So, looking at the 1 minute chart here, I feel kind of strong that buying's really not, it's not going to be a gap that gets filled to the upside. Anything's possible, of course, but more or less we're getting down here. And truthfully, in the bigger picture, if we look at the weekly chart, as we have the 2 week failure here up on the upside past the midway point of that prior week. So again, that targets us down to that 230 area, somewhere down in here as well. So let's go to the 15-minute chart now. Let's kind of see. We just finished that first bar after that whole 1 minute action. Let's see if we follow through to the downside, work our way to that 230 target, or at least enough to set up a no-risk trade, and then kind of see if the structure unfolds. Again, if you look at this daily chart, kind of broadened a little bit to the upside, taking out some stops up here. And now if this, if we kind of get to that point and don't immediately, hold and start back up, we could be heading all the way down to those lows in the 220 area as well. So very weak stock. I think the selling's going to come into play. Let's just get follow through on this first bar to the downside.